So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you are asking that you have not received this enrollment email. So what are the steps we have to do? We'll cover in this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. For the people who don't know about the registration process, I have attached the video link in the description and updated a referral code so that you don't face any referral code full issue. Second most important thing is that regarding the email. So who will be getting the email? If you have filled the registration form correctly, then you'll be getting the email. First of all, if you have filled around 13th of July or even 14th of July, mostly the email takes around 24 to 48 hours to reach you. In 13th of July, most people got the mail around 2 p.m. next day. So some of you might have got the email today also, some will be getting soon, and some of you may have not got the email yet. So what are the steps you have to do? First of all, check the spam junk promotion section because sometimes the mail lands up over there. Or you can do one thing, just copy this title and search on all mail over here, right? Just search in the search box. You'll be able to find over here. Still you are unable to find, make sure you have checked the same email with which you have registered in the program. Make sure your public profile was correctly entered. Make sure developer profile was correctly entered. Do not worry even if you have not claimed the gear badge and arcade gear badge, because you can claim it later on also. If you have entered all the details correctly, within 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting the mail. Second most important thing, a lot of you are worried that you have entered incorrect skills profile, gear profile badge or URL, means developer profile URL. Then do not worry because the correction form will be live. After the registration is closed, we'll make a video for that also. So through that, you can update your details. Now, second most important thing is that you have registered in the program and you have not got still any email. So in such case, you have to reach out to this particular email. Let me just show you. Here we have a email also. So here is one email. Okay, this is the email where you have to just mail it that I have not received the enrollment email with the same email with which you have registered in the program. Now, once you have got the email, what are the next step you have to do? In the description box, I have attached all the important video links in the description, including the playlist. From there, you can see what's next we have to do, how to claim your gear badge, how to claim your free credits, all things are there. So take the benefit of all these opportunities. If you have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply. In case I'm unable to reply, I'll directly make a video regarding it because we have to make a solutions also because a lot of you are demanding solutions for skill badges too. So due to which I am facing some issues in replying some of the comments. However, I'll try my best. But once the solutions are live properly, I'll try to get back to you very soon. Thank you. Goodbye and have a great